I'm a funded trader, I've passed the challenges, I trade my own capital, and I coach other traders on the mental side of this game. Now I'm going to start this video by admitting the thing almost nobody in this space will say to your face for years. My biggest enemy was never the market, it was actually me. So this isn't a sponsored read off a card video, this is me actually walking you through something that I've got my own money in while I put it in there, and whether it's worth your time. If you've ever blown an account that should have been green, stay with me because this is for you. So here's what nobody tells you when you start. You can have the perfect strategy, you can know your setups inside out, and you'll still lose. Because the second real money is on the line, your brain changes and you take one loss and you go straight back in for revenge. You see price run without you and FOMO drags you into a trade with no plan. You move your stop because you feel it will come back. You close a winner early because you can't handle the fear of giving it back. I've done every single one of these. Most traders have. That's not a strategy problem, that's a psychology problem, and it's the reason most people never make it. So a while back I started looking at the other side of it. Instead of trying to white knuckle my emotions every session, what if part of my account just ran on logic? No feelings involved at all. That's what this is. It's an automated copy trader. You open an account through a broker, you connect it, and the system mirrors the trades automatically. Hands-free, it doesn't get scared, it doesn't get greedy, it doesn't even chase. It executes the same logic, the same way, every time. Which, let's be honest, if you've been paying attention, is exactly the thing humans are worst at. Now, this is the part I always tell people to slow down on, because this is where you get burned. It runs through Stoicfx, a regulated broker. Your funds stay in your control 24/7. The system doesn't hold your money and you can withdraw whenever you want. No lock-in period, no wait 90 days. You see, now that mattered to me massively before I put a single penny in, and it should obviously matter to you as well. Now the results, my accounts show it clearly, consistent month after month, and the bit I actually care about is independently verified, third-party tracked, public. You can go look at it yourself. I'm not asking you to trust the screenshot. I could have faked in 2 minutes. The track record stands on its own on a reputable website. Now, quick word on cost, because I know you're thinking it. There's no monthly fee. The way it's structured is a performance fee only. It applies when you actually make a profit, which is the model that I wanted, because it means that the system only wins when I win. Now, that's the right side of the incentive to be on. So here's why this fits how I think about trading. While I'm locked in on my own setups, or honestly, while I'm completely switched off, either doing the school run, watching my kids play football, or even living my actual life, this is just running in the background with zero emotion attached. No revenge trades, no FOMO at 2 AM, no just one more decision. The emotion that wrecks most accounts is simply taken out of the equation. Now, that's the entire point of it. Now, let me be dead straight with you, because I'd rather you trust me than sell you a dream. No system on earth prints money with no risk. Trading carries real risk. Past results don't guarantee future ones. Only ever put in money you can genuinely afford to lose. Never the rent, never money you need next month. Anyone telling you this is free money is lying to you, full stop. But if you're someone who knows the theory, knows your strategy, and still keeps sabotaging yourself with your own emotions, this is worth a proper look. I mean, it was for me. I'll leave the link below so you can see exactly what I'm in and verify everything for yourself. Do your own research, never just take my word for it, and I'll see you in the next one.